Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Best Way podcast from English Practice Every Day. I'm Kevin.
And I'm Jane. It's great to be here with you all today. How are you, Kevin? What kind of day are you having so far?
I'm doing very well, Jane, thank you. My day started quite early. I woke up, then I had a big cup of coffee, and now I feel ready for anything. How about you? What about your morning today?
My morning was good too. I had a quick breakfast, a bowl of cereal, and then I took my dog for a walk. It was nice and sunny, so feeling fresh and ready to talk about our topic today.
That sounds lovely, Jane. And actually, what we just talked about, waking up, having coffee, breakfast, walking the dog, it's a perfect start to our topic for today. Today, we're going to talk about daily routine in English.
Yes, we all do things every day, right? From when we wake up until we go to sleep. A daily routine is simply the list of things you do every day, usually at the same time.
Exactly. And learning to talk about your daily routine is super helpful for A1 and A2 English speakers. It uses common verbs, simple tenses, and words you use all the time.
Absolutely. So let's break it down. We can start with the morning. Kevin, what is the first thing you do in the morning?
Okay, the very first thing is I wake up. Then I open my eyes. Sometimes I stay in bed for a few minutes. Then I get up. What about you, Jane? Do you wake up and get up right away?
Good question. I usually wake up and then I check my phone for a few minutes. Then I get up. So wake up means your eyes open and get up means you leave your bed. These are two different things.
Yes, important difference. After I get up, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and I wash my face. Do you do these things, Jane?
Of course. Brush my teeth, wash my face. Yes. Sometimes I take a shower in the morning. Sometimes I take it at night. It depends. What about you, Kevin? Shower in the morning or at night?
I usually shower in the morning. It helps me feel fresh. After that, I get dressed. I put on my clothes for the day. And then it's time for food. I make breakfast and eat breakfast. What do you usually eat for breakfast, Jane?
Breakfast. The most important meal, some people say. I usually have cereal with milk or sometimes toast with jam. And I always drink coffee. Always. What do you drink?
I'm a big coffee drinker too, so I drink coffee, sometimes juice. After breakfast, I prepare for work. I usually leave my house around 8:30 a.m., so I go to work.
Okay, so let's review our morning routine words. Everyone, try to repeat after us. I wake up, I get up, I brush my teeth, I wash my face, I take a shower, I get dressed, I make breakfast, I eat breakfast, I drink coffee, I go to work.
Excellent. It's really good to say these sentences out loud. It helps you remember. Now let's talk about the afternoon. Jane, what do you usually do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I work. From about 9 a.m. until 5 p.m. I work. So around 12:30 p.m. I eat lunch. Sometimes I eat a sandwich, sometimes a salad. What about you, Kevin? What's your afternoon like?
My afternoon is similar. I work, and I also eat lunch around 1 p.m. After lunch, I continue to work. We work for many hours, don't we?
We do. And then around 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. we finish work. So after work, I go home. I usually take a bus or train. How do you go home, Kevin?
I walk home. My office is not too far. So I finish work and I go home. When I get home, I sometimes relax for a bit. Maybe I read a book or I exercise.
Oh, that's nice. I sometimes exercise too, but not every day. After I get home, I often cook dinner. I like to cook. Do you cook dinner, Kevin?
Yes, I cook dinner. Not every day, but often. And then I eat dinner. Sometimes I eat with my family. Sometimes I eat alone. And after dinner, what do you do?
After dinner, I relax. Maybe I watch TV, or I listen to music, or I chat with my family or friends. What about you? Do you watch TV?
I sometimes watch TV. I also like to read a book before bed. It helps me relax and clear my head. Then it's time for the evening routine, getting ready for sleep.
Yes, the end of the day. So I brush my teeth again, and I wash my face again. I prepare my clothes for the next day, and then I go to bed. usually around 10 p.m. or 11 p.m.
Me too. I brush my teeth, I get into my pajamas, and I go to bed. And then I sleep, and the whole routine starts again the next day. It's a cycle, you know?
It is. Let's quickly review the afternoon and evening words for everyone. Repeat after me. I work. I eat lunch. I finish work. I go home. I cook dinner. I eat dinner. I relax. I watch TV. I read a book. I brush my teeth. I go to bed. I sleep.
Great job repeating. Remember, saying these phrases out loud helps a lot. It makes the words part of your active vocabulary.
Exactly. Now, let's put it all together. Kevin, can you tell us your simple daily routine from morning to night using these phrases?
Sure. Okay, so I wake up at 7 a.m. I get up, I brush my teeth and wash my face. I take a shower. I get dressed. I make and eat breakfast. I drink coffee. Then I go to work. At 1 p.m., I eat lunch. I finish work at 5 p.m. I walk home. I exercise. I cook and eat dinner. I relax. I read a book. I brush my teeth. I go to bed at 10:30 p.m., then I sleep.
Wonderful. That's a clear routine. Now, my turn. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. I check my phone, then I get up. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I get dressed. I eat cereal and drink coffee. I walk my dog, then I go to work. I eat lunch at 12:30 p.m. I finish work at 5 p.m. I take the bus home. I cook dinner and eat with my family. We watch TV. I brush my teeth again. I go to bed at 10 p.m. and I sleep.
Fantastic, Jane. You see, listeners, it's simple. You can describe your whole day with these basic English sentences. And it's a great way to practice your present simple tense.
Yes, just remember, I wake up, you wake up, we wake up, they wake up, he wakes up, she wakes up. Don't forget the sits for he, she, it. Like my dog wakes up early.
Good point, Jane. So, for a quick recap today, we learned many phrases for our daily routines. Wake up, get up, brush teeth, wash face, shower, get dressed, make breakfast, eat breakfast, drink coffee, go to work, eat lunch, finish work, go home, cook dinner, eat dinner, relax, watch TV, read a book, go to bed, and sleep.
That's a lot of useful words. The best way to learn these is to use them. Think about your own day. What do you do in the morning? What do you do in the afternoon? What do you do in the evening?
Exactly. So for your practice today, try to write down or even say out loud your own daily routine in simple English. Don't worry about being perfect. Just try to use the words we learned.
Yes, practice, practice, practice. And we'd love to hear from you. In the comments section below, tell us, what is one thing you always do in the morning or in the evening?
Yes, let us know. And if you liked this episode, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel English Practice Every Day for more helpful English lessons, and share this podcast with your friends who are also learning English.
Thank you so much for joining us on The Best Way today. It was great talking about our daily lives with you all.
Yes, thank you for listening and practicing with us. Keep practicing your English every day. We'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone. Have a great day and keep speaking English.